Hey, what up, gang? Boo617, and welcome back to the channel. So I just received a package. It's an unusual package. I did order a wing, carbon fiber wing for the X5. But this packaging is a little weird, a little awkward. Doesn't look like it's a wing at all. Let's open it to see what's going on here. All right, guys. So this is the package. I'm not really sure what to think. They packed it up in a ball, I guess. So let's unwrap this, see what we got in here. Scratching my head a little bit. Double-sided tape. And I've never seen something like this before. I'm gonna take it out of this bag. Interesting. Don't know what to say about this. Like what? Yeah, about this. This is very interesting. I've never seen something like this before. All right, guys. So I set it up like this for now. I'm gonna leave it like this for a few days to see if this rubber conforms a little bit better than what it is now, because obviously whoever packed it up packed it the opposite way, and I don't want it that way because obviously my car, or any car, the position would be this way, not that way. And the problem is, if I put the double-sided tape on this, I feel like eventually it'll start going up. So I'm gonna leave it like this for a little bit. If it does nothing, I believe this is like rubber, so I'm gonna put some heat to it and it should come down. All right, guys, so yeah, I have no patience. I waited an hour. It wasn't doing anything, so you know what? I'm just gonna go straight to heating it up with the gun. Let's see if it does anything then. So I got this here, and I'm just turn it on, wait till it heats up, and it's heated up. Let's see if it does anything. I'm gonna pass a few more, see if it does anything. I'll let you guys know. So as you guys can see, after just a few minutes of persuading it with the heat gun, and it's already getting straighter. So what I did is I've heated up on both sides already. So right now what I'm doing, I'm just holding it down like this and then just heating this side here so it could start getting more straight. And off screen, what I was doing, I was heating it up this way. And then I would bring it up like this and heat it with tension. And it's working. It took me maybe 10 minutes. As you can see, this is perfect. This is perfect. Because the goal is for it to be flat, right? So that is not like this, because then it's putting tension on the tape. But if it's flush, then there's no tension on the tape. The tape can do its job and you just keep it down. Put a little bit more heat on this end. But what I'm finding that it's doing the job is actually folding it like this and then heating it. Then let it go and it straightens out. But as you can see from how it was earlier, perfect. All right, the next step is the tape. Now, I'm a little iffy about this tape, right? Because obviously, usually they tend to send you the cheapest stuff they could find. But this is all I have, so I'm gonna try this. Basically, I'm just gonna put 2 strips, one here, across, and then one on the bottom. Let's do that now. So with the 2 strips of double-sided tape applied onto the wing, you know what time it is? It's time to add this to the car and see if it looks any good. But you see how flat it is now? Ooh. All right, let's go check this out. So you might be wondering, why in the world would I get a rubberized wing? Now, there's a few reasons why I actually ordered this one. First of all, I wanted the shape. The shape that this wing is in is the exact shape that I wanted. And two, the price. The price, quite frankly, is probably the biggest reason, because there were two options that I was in the market for. The only two that I was interested in. There was one with the same shape. Obviously, it was a little bit bigger. It was made out of actual carbon fiber. And the second one was more of a M3 style wing. Just like a little strip. And that one was gloss black. That one wasn't that expensive. It was over $100, maybe 150. But the one that I really wanted with the shape was closer to like $500. And I'm not gonna spend that money. Not no $500 on no little strip of a wing. So I was just searching, and this wing just popped up. It's, it's a generic wing. You could put it on anything, on any car. It was the same size, the same length of the M3 style strip one. So I decided, you know what? It was $37. Free shipping. Amazon? Yeah, why not? Let's try it out. I mean, worst comes to worst, I just return it. If it doesn't pan out, I just return it. Or, I mean, it's $37. I just toss it, at the end of the day. But yeah, that's the reasoning behind me getting this one: the price and the shape. That's about it. All right, so first things first, we gotta clean this thing, because this thing is filthy. So I got my I got a Clorox wipe to get this area nice and clean for the application. The first thing I want to do is line this up, right? So you got to remember, you see these ridges right here? I want to line it up with the light. So I got to make sure it's nice and centered. And remember, this is a universal wing, so it doesn't conform exactly to the shape of the factory wing. But it is very flexible, so we can conform it to any shape we pretty much want. So basically, you see how it's straight? For example, if I put it exactly how it is, see this gap here? You get a gap. So we're gonna have to, for example, put the first part first, the beginning, the middle part first with the tape it down, right? And then twist so that it goes along the edge of the wing. Wish me luck, guys. Let's do it. Wow, this tape is super strong. Holy crap. Way stronger than I thought. Remember I was saying how it's cheap? Holy crap, that wanted to stay there. Not necessarily a good thing, because now it's made things a lot harder for me. A lot harder for me. How are we gonna do this? I did this the wrong way. I had to line it up, and then start taking the tape off while it was there. That's where I messed up. I'm gonna have to reapply this tape. So guys, unfortunately, take two, I was not able to record it. I thought I was recording. When I came back to look at the feed, it was not recording. So I was able to get the wing on. I just wanted to show you guys the process of me putting it on. So basically, I just had to retape it. I took the old tape off. I retaped it. I came back. I lined it up first, and I had started to take the tape off from the middle a little bit, but I lined it up, and then I peeled it once it was lined up. and it's on. I was able to mold it to the exact form of the factory wing, and it actually looks really nice. Check it out. And there it is. Nice and formed to the wing. Glistening carbon fiber dike. Tell you what, it's the little touches like this that I love, because it's very subtle, but it looks really nice. Looks really nice. It just gives it a little bit more aggressive look, more sporty. So gang, in all, this project actually came out very good. I was very iffy when I first got the package and I seen it in a ball. I was like, okay, this is cheap. This is not gonna come out good. This is gonna be ridiculous. But it was actually surprisingly awesome. It took some little twerking here and there, some bending, some heating. I was more involved in it than if I bought the one that actually came for the X5. But it was worth it because it was 37 bucks. Took a little bit more of effort, which was a good thing for footage. And we got it done and it looks amazing. I can't ask for more. If you like this, thumbs up, subscribe. And I got more projects coming. I just received a box for something else that I'm about to do to the X5. So stay tuned to that. Boo Boo 617, we out.